This video is a demo overview for Walmart BigCommerce onboarding. So let's get started. In your BigCommerce store, you need to go on the channel manager. From here, you need to add Walmart as a channel, and in that, select Set Commerce as a solution provider. Once the app is installed, the very first step is to configure the API. For that, you need to go on the Walmart developer portal. There, add Set Commerce as a solution provider and provide access to all the section. Copy and paste those keys on our app. Here your products are imported from BigCommerce to our app category template. Here, you need to map the Walmart category in which you will select your products and also map your Walmart attributes with the BigCommerce attributes. From here, you can just simply select and upload the products. Once the products are uploaded, the feed is processed successfully and products are published on the Walmart. Next, here you can see that any order placed on Walmart is automatically fetched on our app and then created on the BigCommerce.